Queens, divas of a more mature age, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be working with one of my favorite companies, and that is MyFirstWig. And I'm actually going to do one of the easiest installs ever. I'm going to show you first the goodies that come in the box, of course. They even sent me some adhesive, which I will not be using today, a little wig stand. This is the hair, and when I tell you, this is the mother of all bobs. If you guys have not noticed, I have had this wig on my head for nearly the past 2 weeks. Every video that you have seen me in lately, since I put it on my head, I have been wearing this wig. That's how much I love this bob. It's so light, it looks authentic, just beautiful. So I'm gonna clean my hairline off. Not my hairline, but my skin. You don't want to go back into your actual hairline with that alcohol. It's very drying. But I'm just gonna get the makeup off. And then I'm gonna use my skin protectant. That's from Erica J's product line. And I like to just put that around my forehead to protect my skin. Even though I'm not going to be using any actual adhesive on this unit. And I'm just rubbing that in a tiny bit. I have a wig cap on. It wasn't really necessary, but it's just kind of my thing. It keeps my cornrows tamed, in my opinion. So now I'm going to pop this baby on. And I feel like they are improving on their hairlines as well. Really good snug fit. I have the elastic band in, and I have the combs, and I don't know if I mentioned that there are 3 combs, and you have an adjustable elastic strap. So before I actually lay the unit down, I'm going to do my usual, and that is just cut the lace from around my ears so that the wig will lay nicely. Pull that ear out. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I always say this, don't be afraid to have to cut a little bit of hair off the unit. You want to make sure the unit is comfortable. When those tabs sit right there at your ears or on your ears, not only does your wig not lay right, but it's uncomfortable. So I have a really nice curling iron burn on my forehead. I haven't done that since the 6th grade, but that's a whole nother story. It's actually healing up. All right, now this is the only thing I'm going to do to lay this baby down. I'm using my Eben lace spray, which it's okay. I won't complain about it. It's not bad. I don't know if it's better or worse than the Gots to Be Free spray. I haven't decided that yet. I don't think that it's anything groundbreaking though. So now pull my little side tabs down or sideburns, and we always cut those off. Sideburns, aka extra security. Then I'm going to take my piece of elastic, and somehow I pulled the wrong piece out of the drawer because it wasn't the longer piece that I usually use. So we're just going to hold it there while we blow dry. And this doesn't take a long time to dry. This stuff dries pretty quick, so I'll just hit it for about a minute or 2 and then finish up the process. Okay, look at that. Look at her. That's my happy dance. That's that. Oh yeah, I'm about to kill him. The texture of this unit was nice as well, although I will say this, if this was Yaki, oh, this really would have been life. I mean, if this would have been just a little coarse, you guys probably wouldn't be able to get me to take this wig off my head. And the sad thing about me wearing this wig for the past 2 weeks is that I have other wig tutorials that I need to do. So she needs to come off. But y'all know I love a good bob. It's not in the way. It's not heavy. It's not hot. Just perfect. So I'm using my little scissors to cut the lace off. Later on, I did go back in and end up cutting more lace off the unit because I realized that initially I didn't cut enough of the lace off. But do you see the melt? Like, I love a good melt, but the thing about it is sometimes it's a little difficult to see where you're cutting when you're cutting the lace off. If you have that issue, you know you got some good lace. So now I'm gonna go back in with my freeze spray around those edges where you can see that little white cast and just lay that down. Just make it all seamless. I didn't even put foundation on this unit, you guys. And I think I used a little bit of clear gel to actually lay my sideburns down. Now for cleanup on aisle 7, I'll just take a little bit of alcohol, and don't go into the actual lace with the alcohol, but just clean up the skin so that you don't have any sticky stuff on your skin. Now I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, first my hot comb, and just smooth it down at the top. Then we'll flat iron her. First we must dance. You must dance first. If you don't dance while you're installing your units, you're not having any fun. Now this is just a wax stick. I wish YouTube would allow you guys to listen to what I'm actually listening to. It would all make more sense. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Look how easy she lays and slays. I'm telling you, I love a unit like this. I cannot get over myself with these bobs. I especially can't get over myself when people walk up to me and say, "Oh my goodness, I love your hair. Who does your hair?" And I usually will tell them, it's a wig. All right, now let's flat iron her. And I didn't do any flip or any tuck or anything. I just wanted to flat iron it super straight and just kind of let it swing and do its thing. And so that's what I'm going to be doing here. And I'm gonna do the chase method, even though the unit is not unruly or coarse, it's a habit. So I'm going to flat iron this baby out, and that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Honestly, this is one of my highest recommended wigs. I strongly suggest that you check this wig out, especially if you like a bob. Like I said, this is the mother of all bobs. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you all so much for watching me today. Until I see you again, be blessed and bye for now.